So yes, as you can see in the title down below, this is a review of the product from Purederm. It is the Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Maybe you've seen this in my haul video and some of you guys already commented that I should do a review of this product because some of you said it's not a good product and some says it is good. So let's see if it will work on me. If you want to see more reviews of products here in this channel, please like this video and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet because it will just make my day if you will subscribe. So yeah, let's finally start this video. This is the Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes from Purederm, and the claims of this product: it gently cleanse, tone, and remove makeup. Made of precious blends of argan oil and vitamin E to restore hydration and softness. Ideal for all skin types. So I have an oily / dry skin, so this one will work on me, I guess. And it has 30 wet towelettes. 30 wet. Wet. It should be wet, okay? Because some of the products that I had experienced with the towelettes, it gets so dry, or the products are already dry. So yes, getting product in your eyes may cause irritation, okay? If this occurs, rinse eyes thoroughly. So because maybe you've seen my Ever Bilena review of the makeup remover, it irritated my eyes. I said there, but during the review you didn't see that, but before the review I got an irritated eye due to the makeup remover, so I never used it again. So yeah, let's try this one. It has a resealable opening here, like that. Oh my gosh. Ooh, basa nga siya. Kasi kitang-kita na nagbabubbles dito. Wow. So parang may bula-bula siya. Fairness ha. So I got one towelette. So here in my face, I have what you call that, waterproof mascaras. I don't have my eyeliner right now, the waterproof, but let's see if it will work because this mascara is really the bomb and it's really difficult to remove. So let's see if it can remove the product in my eyes. And by the way, the towelettes doesn't have a different texture unlike with the Sansan. If you've seen my review with the Sansan makeup remover towelettes, it has a different kind of texture, like a dark top finish, but this one is just an ordinary one like that. But you see, this one is also thick, unlike some wipes. As in, super wet siya ha, fairness. Yung iba kasi very dry, kaya you need to rub your eyes again and again. So this one doesn't have a lot of friction. You don't need a lot of friction to remove your eye makeup. Really? Parang pwede mo pa siya ibabad na ganyan and hindi siya masakit sa mata. Hindi siya masakit sa mata. Refreshing siya sa mata ko. So yes. Ang maganda pa kasi sa towelettes, if you are traveling, you can just bring this along with you because hindi mo na kailangan ng cotton pads, hindi mo na kailangan magdala pa ng bottle of makeup remover, hindi mo na kailangan i-measure kung ilan yung nadala mong makeup remover kasi di ba pag sa mga airlines may mga certain amount lang pwede mong dalhin. So this one can go along. Pwede mo siyang dalhin sa bag mo. Oh my gosh, I really love this. I'm really loving it. Bakit kayo yung iba sinabi hindi na maganda to? Maybe they have experienced something bad with this product? Yes, ayan, red na yung nose ko. So for the final na siya na wipes ko para matanggal lahat ng... Kasi ganun ako magtanggal ng makeup. Parang yung first na wipe, pagtanggal lang siya sa mga, externally easy to remove. But the second wipe, ang wet talaga niya, promise. Basta talaga siya, compared siya sa ibang towelettes. Kasi meron din ako dito na makeup remover na towelette na yung from Watsons, na mismong Watsons product. But, yeah, parang mas maganda to in fairness. Tsaka mas mahal pa yun. Ito less than 50 pesos lang. Ayan, nalo. Hindi ko to madala-dala noon sa Isabela. Nag-attend ako ng wedding kasi hindi ko pa siya nare-review. So, kailangan i-review ko na para magamit. Ito na yung side na gamit ko, and this one is the side na yung super daming makeup. Hindi kasi masyado nakita dahil sa light. But yeah, that is the gum or the makeup that I removed from my face. So, I only use 2 products, and yes, ito na yung pinaka-first na wipe or na towelette. Siya yan. Balik para siyang nagamit. This one, ayan, dito lang yung harap lang niya. So, di ba, doon pa lang sa una tanggal na lahat ng foundation, lahat ng eye makeup ko, and all that ish. For the final review, I'm really loving this product. Nakakatanggal siya kahit yung mga waterproof ko na products ko. Very easy to use. Affordable siya kasi less than 50 pesos lang siya, I guess. And pwede mo siyang dalhin pag nagta-travel ka kasi you don't need a lot of products naman to bring. Unlike with the liquid makeup remover, you need to bring cotton pads and the product itself. So, ito siya, dalhin mo lang siya na ganyan, and resealable pa siya. And you guys, na-appreciate ko talaga, sobrang wet ng towelettes niya. So, hindi ka mahihirapan na ganun or rub ng rub sa eyes mo, which can cause wrinkles or premature wrinkles. So, yeah, I'm really loving this. For the final score, 9/10. 9/10 because I'm really loving this one. So, if you want to try this product, this Argan Oil Makeup Remover, just head on to your Watsons na pinakamalapit sa inyo, and just buy this one and try it to yourself. Kasi may mga sabing hindi siya maganda, but in my case, I'm really loving this one. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and like this video for more reviews. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!